Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I hope you're doing fantastic. I would like to start off the video by apologising because of the lack of light in here. I am upstairs in the bedroom because the kids are out in the back garden and they're having too much fun because it is too bright and sunny out there, so I can't really deprive them of that. So I would like to apologise for that, but let's begin the video. Today's video is all about the Raijintek AURA 12 case fans. Guys, these are fantastic, a little overpriced in my opinion, but the build quality and everything is on point. The only downfall I can find with these is that it doesn't have one of these crazy rainbow effects like all the fans do these days. It basically has this color cycle mode, which as you can see here, you can change it to the individual colors, and you can also have it breathing on that set color as well. Okay, so having a look at the actual fan a little bit closer, we can see here there's a lot more detail. I've obviously got one unplugged because I didn't want to cut my fingers off, but looking here at the actual casing of the fan is very rigid, very robust. It's got the rubber pads here for anti-vibration. The blade, the blades are very opaque and like a dark sort of colour, just to spread the light a bit more evenly. Overall, the fan is absolutely brilliant. There is a bit of a gripe obviously because some colours in the daylight you can't really see, such as the very light blue, the yellow you can't see too well either. Sometimes you can't see the pink depending on whereabouts you've got the PC. Like now that's currently pink and just turned red to yellow, and you possibly missed all of that on the camera, but I can see it here, but it's not so bright, if you get what I mean. I think if the actual ring itself maybe had been frosted, maybe it would have worked a little bit better, like the other name brand that I've recently reviewed, you know, the Ring 12, not mentioning any names. But yeah, if it was frosted, I think the actual heat spreader may have worked a little bit better. But overall, the fans are fantastic. What I do find about these as well is the wires here. I would have preferred seeing it put into one cable sleeve and into, obviously, making that look like one wire instead of two. However, you know, these cables, they're not going to be seen, to be fair, are they? You're just going to literally cable manage them around. So, to be in all honesty, that's really not really a gripe. But some people, some finicky people will actually pull up on that and be hating. But also there is another downfall, that you can't daisy chain these together. You buy them in a pack of 3 and it only has one controller for them 3 fans. Okay, so in this day of age, I do think it's a bit of a letdown, because you would want to be able to change all of the fans in one go, wouldn't you? Of course you would. But unfortunately you can't with these, and that is another downfall with them, and that is why I think they could possibly be overpriced, despite how good of a build quality they are, how good the actual light dispersion is from them, how well they perform. I just don't think they're really good value for money. So for that, Raijintek, you get my silver. But that's all we have time for today, I'm afraid, guys. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down if you didn't, and why not subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. So until then, take care, bye.